So in your computer keyboard, this is the control key and this is the K key. So if you press this control key and K key, these two keys at the same time, if you are in Microsoft Word, then you can see the option to insert hyperlink. If you are in Microsoft web page, you have the option to insert the hyperlink, and from here if you want to type some address, you must type here. For example, I am going to type here www.engineersworldonline.com, and after that I press this OK button. You can see that this hyperlink have been arrived here. So for creating hyperlink in this Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, you must use this keyboard shortcut. That is, you must press this control key and K key, these two keys at the same time. For more videos, you can subscribe Engineers World Online. Thank you.